Hi, my old friend. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And good evening to all of you, my friends. And thanking you for watching my previous videos and this video. And I'm making all those video for educational purpose. If anyone wants to trade on my video, please, or on my analysis, please first consult with your financial advisor before taking any position, or you can analyze the chart within yourself. If any problem you arise from chart analysis, you can get help. If any required, please write down in the description box. I will help you. If anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, please you can join. And if you like my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel and videos, and share this channel to all of your friends. Then I can reach to all of your friends. They can also get the help. All stocks and all sector and all indices analysis is based on pure technical analysis on price chart. Today I am analyze the Canfin Home share. This is the good stock and a good breakout is happening in at around 517 to 556 levels. Now it's looking good. The formation is there in a W formation is in this in Canfin Home. It's looking very good at this moment to me in this chart. That is why I shared this chart with all of you. Guys, this is a very good stock, and price chart also supporting this. There is a formation, there is the other technical analysis, there is the breakout you also see in this chart. This is the breakout from this area, 517 levels, and this 550 levels also crossed, and now this is trading at around 578 levels. Retracement is above the 600 levels. It's now again retrace and retrace the support resistance levels, and it's a very good sign. You'll see weekly chart also showing the same, and price trading at above that levels. So daily and weekly supporting and monthly also supporting, but this month is not ended. If 31st March is ended and the price at around above 570, 580 levels, then it will be a very good sign for the Canfin Home. All the breakout in all the time frame chart, this will be a very good for the Canfin Home. And this Canfin Home looking very good at this moment to me. The other parameter also seeing in a very good position. You also see candlesticks pattern or bar chart. This is a very good sign in the last day. There is a bullish reversal is happening. weekly, monthly, and daily, all are in a good, in a cyclical basis. You all see. So Can Fin Home statistics is also showing the bullishness. RSI in a bullish zone. There's weekly and daily. You all see. The MACD is rising, and the weekly RSI also crossed. This is a very good sign. So price chart, price formation, breakout, and the three indicator also showing the bullishness in Can Fin Homes. This chart is looking very good, bullish in this, in my view. And coming week and coming months, it will be a very good for traders and for the investors. I think so. Next target will be, at this moment, it's trading 578, 600 is the immediate target. Then 650 to 700 is the next target levels, and then 750 is the next target levels. 600 immediate, then 650, then 700 to 750 is the next target levels for Can Fin Home in coming week and coming months. 525 to 517 to 500 levels is the very crucial for the closing basis for if it close below that levels and trade below that levels and close below that level, then we have to quit from this stock. But it's a very impossible to me and very unlikely to me at this moment. That is why I shared this chart. But maybe anything can possible, any breakout can fail, but the possibility is very minor. But I'm sharing this the minor also, and the most possible things is the open sky for this Can Fin Home. More bullishness will come in the Can Fin Home. And this Can Fin Home stock is looking very good. And this stock analysis is for pure educational purpose. If anyone wants to take this analysis with yourself or consult with your financial advisor before taking this stock or in your portfolio. If anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, please join my technical analysis course. Free to join. Feel free to join. It will be very helpful to all of you. If you want to get the proof of my analysis, please go my channel and previous video and the some review video I'm shared with all of you along with my previous videos chart. You can get the proof of my analysis also. And if you benefited, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification first. And please join my channel to get this kind of analysis. And if anyone wants to join my Facebook group, they can also join. I give the link of the Facebook group link in my description box. And thanking you to all of you again for watching my videos. Thanking you all my friends.